I'm naturally Ebony, and I just did a DIY on one of my favorite hair moisturizers that always give my hair that shine, and it really protects my hair. After I use this concoction, it always feels amazing, and it doesn't matter what product I try. If I need to revitalize it, I can always go back to this. Sometimes I add a little avocado, just depends on what I need and also what I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it and apply my lovely moisturizer to my hair. Now, the only thing that I've done to my hair is use Aunt Jackie's co-wash. I've done nothing else. No conditioner, no deep conditioner. I'm gonna go ahead and put the moisturizer in. Ooh, smell time, baby. Yeah.
Let's see what's in that box. Yeah. We'll get in it. The VIP Sweep 6-piece brush collection built-in bag. Am I really going to use a fanny pack? Probably not. Yes, yes. I got the rose collection. Oil. Why is it glue everywhere? I'll put this all over. Pretty. Alright, we got the 35
These are the results of my DIY hair moisturizer concoction. It is amazing. I like to put it on my hair and my body. It is revolutionary for the skin, so don't be afraid to splurge on your body, okay? And how cute is that? That was a nice surprise. And these brushes are so cute. And I got a silicone brush. I have no idea what to do with it. I'm not a makeup artist, so don't expect spectacular faces just because I got some makeup, honey. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click it up here. This is i.n.e Natural Hair Vlogs, and I'm naturally Ebony. Thanks for watching.